Have you seen this very beautiful comedy video by the one and only Agodai? For me, Agodai is the goat of comedy in Nigeria. But he raised one very interesting question, just that I think he misunderstood it very well, just like so many other people do. Let me give you a chance to watch the video. Just watch the video. After watching the video, we can look at the points he raised.
Just a verse for the country, verse for the president, verse for our traditional ruler, verse for everybody. Country is frustrated. Frustration for this country. Our ghost self, now come wicked past the ghost we have in the river. The ghosts are not even helping situation. And he asked one question. So all these ghosts, all these demons, they cannot kill all these president and governor. Now only people wear shit, women wear fuck, now ghosts they kill. What they cause I fuck and ghosts? Tradition they gave to us that is not helping us. And that tradition is what is affecting us today. People when they complain, celebrity marriage they crash. Yes. Celebrity marriage they crash. Yes. It will crash. Because most of us we are suffering from the punishment of our great-grandfather. Our father. You said they're not going to feel hug woman. Once you hug that woman, you committed adultery. Just hug. Which kind demon be that? Just hug. You shake. There's some tradition you don't even shake woman. Don't say no. They use the tradition to enslave the people. Make women not to be like human being. At the best, if you like this, I am just speaking the truth to free the next generation. What is the beauty of the woman getting married to a man? They use the tradition to punish all the women. The man go die, they go tell the woman, make the woman take water, wash the dead body, drink it to prove her innocent. What kind of barbaric tradition is that? If I say you want to kill your husband, no. Because I don't know why this thing just would make you over happy. Yes! Not plan that thing, no. That is it. The man died. The woman do not even have power to share the husband property. What kind of tradition is that? The woman does not have power. Think about it. If you be a woman, you married a man, spend 70, 60 years with a woman, slowly, fully well. This happened to her mother. When the father died, they threw her out of the house. She was a very young girl, growing. She saw these things with her eyes. They are prepared to enter the world to save for their future because they know that the tradition will not protect them. Let the Oba of Benin, the Sultan of Sokoto, the only officer, they should revisit that tradition. They should revisit it. Women can never be happy. They stay with you for house as husband and wife. They are scared of their tomorrow. They don't know what will happen to them. Let it be equal. Person, hot person, Joshua go they kill them up and down. But the main thing is not they kill them. They go to gym. When you see what they take women they do for gym. Now those people they should just supposed to kill. Those gym instructor, yeah, Obaro. Come, those gym instructor, when they direct people wife anyhow. If you decide to lie, okay, go gym one day. When you see waiting all those guys, where you see their chest, the one where they invest in that small, whether that boss or so. Another I want to call that knicker. The thing will just tight the waist, the lap. This their rod. Imagine this kind of thing, oh. You go, oh, this thing go just fat, that is the shot, oh. You take a first person wife and the gods, they look there like that. I got to ask myself one question. Not be this tradition, say if you walk person, the person go die. Useless tradition when it be like say as I did now so Julosagu. My wife go fuck. Instead of the man will fuck my wife to die. The tradition said na me. Me when no nothing. Me when no nothing. Now I go God die. This is very serious. This is very serious. Nelson Mandela, the most loved man in Africa. He was in prison for 27 years. He not run for prison, but he came out of prison, but he not fit marry a wife back again because of the fear of this tradition. Believing that if she wipe, oh boy, now you go. The men that design that tradition, they design it for their selfish interests. Let them revisit it. Nothing concern the innocent children for the crime of the mother. We're going to make picking the sick. In fact, the man will do it. Make the man go. May they not touch my wife, leave her. No, may they not kill my wife, may they leave my wife. That man will go climb. Go gym. Tradition. All the juju not they say. Person wife for LJ. Person wife for gym. You go just go gym, you see. Up. With that, yeah. Bosses, what they are. Don't forget this. To no put there, yo. They go come do like this. Dan. Dan. You they see your hand though. Bessie wife now you they do down up. Now I don't know the kind of blood when they those gym instructor body. But me no. I am speaking for myself. My own blood and my own process. I don't know where from come. If now me they do that down. Up. Down. Up. Do they hear their voice? I say I did the glass. I they wash. Me just a wash for that glass. You know say they get glass where they did. They like person wife, Jay. They like person wife. Person wife. Now they sleep for ground like this. So what the name of exercise? Person wife. That woman so not your trousers. Now that's small. If you see the pant, it just swell up small. That place so it be like book for my own. Now person carry person wife like this. You go call they do leg like this. When they vex me pass, all this will not vex me. All this will not vex me. You not vex me. Come, turn like this. You not the one vex me pass. The one vex me pass. I nearly take, no, turn like this. Just turn. I nearly take wood, then knock the guy. Now this one vex me pass. Imagine now, short knicker with that tinubu for here. You come bend like this for person face. You know, say if you bend down like this, the cap they show. The woman, I say they go. They come, see the one, they come raise this leg like this. You see, yes, so if they want to do this exercise, they will spend 6 hours for here. They come bend like this. When they look, now my own rod they race for far. That guy still a wakati today. Ladies and gentlemen, there is only one point I am trying to make here. We must understand the fact that the way you be man, now so woman be woman, we must give them equal rights of everything we share. If we don't make the woman feel secure, they will always look for protection, something that they can save where they go wrong go to protect their life. You know, be say the celebrity not good. Not be say we not good whether they leave us. But they know that they've seen it, that their mother came. They suffer the mama. They throw the mother load, enter outside. And none of the children get anything and the woman suffer. So from small, some of these girls already make up their mind, say, I am going to secure my future. And once they get what they want, they travel to a country where they can have protection. That is why most of them leave Nigeria, they travel to the United States of America, they travel to UK, they travel to a place where their security will be protected. I am speaking for my next generation. We have gone through hell, who will be men. I want to see my great-grandchildren. I want to see my kids. I want to laugh with them. But they must revisit the tradition. Wherever, when the man die, make the woman get the power to share the property. So that the woman will feel being loved. If we not do it, it will still be the story of the women. They came, they saw, they suffered, and they died.
Thank you and welcome back. Now, you will agree with me that that guy, I Go Die, is one of the best brains in terms of comedy in Nigeria, because he doesn't just do comedy. Every time he speaks, he has a message to pass. And he does so very courageously. He's not afraid of anybody. He has been doing so even before this time. Now, the point that he raised regarding adultery and who dies when adultery is committed. Now, I want us to get these things very, very clear. Our ancestors were not stupid. Like he said that a woman commits adultery, her children dies, her husband dies. Why not the man who commits the adultery with her or herself? What happens is this. If a woman is involved in adultery, the husband doesn't just die. The children don't just start dying. What led to their death? Now, this is what triggers this particular custom. We call it Ifi. What triggers this is simple. Now, there has to be adultery. And two, there has to be a witness to that adultery. If somebody has seen it and reported to this woman's husband, and she says, no, I trust my wife, leave her alone. The curse begins to work. And then the man begins to swell and then he dies. If he dies, his first son as well will follow suit. And many of his sons will become affected. Why? Because the man failed to heed the advice of the person who had tried to warn him. Let's turn it around the other way. What if when this man was advised, he heeded the advice, or he was able to listen to the advice of the person who advised him? If this man is told, hey, I saw your wife somewhere, somehow, and the man takes it, first of all, he will avoid eating her food, he will avoid sleeping with her, and then he reports this to his sisters, because interestingly in our culture, men are not involved in propitiation. Men are not involved in any custom that concerns adultery. His role is to report this to his sister or his mother if the mother is alive. The matter is taken to Umuada. I'm talking this in terms of the Igbo people. This is our culture. This matter goes to Umuada, and then the woman who in question, who is accused, nobody says she has. She is an accused person. Is brought before Umuada for that to defend herself. She is given fair hearing. That is what they call ego ifi. She has to deny. They have to ask her certain questions, presenting before her the offer of the Umuada. You get it now? She is made to swear this offer to prove her innocence. Now, there are things that constituted adultery in the past that either have been repealed or the Umuada no longer asks them such questions. Things like holding a woman's wrist like this. It shows ownership. You don't hold a woman by the wrist like this. it means you are her owner. You don't cross a woman's thigh. You don't hug a married woman. I'm not just saying a woman, a married one. You don't hug a married woman. You don't hold her by the wrist like this. You don't talk to her inappropriately. Now, you can't close the mouth of a man. A man can make any kind of remark to a woman. A man can say, wow, sinyash. If a man says this and the woman hears it, she's supposed to cross her hand over her head like this. She's supposed to cross her hand over her head like this and snap it. Now she denies this because this is a bad remark. This is like a defiling remark. So she takes it out immediately with a snap of the finger. And if it persists, she is obliged to get home and talk to her husband about it, who will then take the matter to the men. Some people think men who are involved in adultery are free. Oh, they are not free. The women are propitiated, the men are not. While these women are doing their propitiation, they are steady laying curses on the man. And if this man is from the same lineage with the husband of the person whose wife he has been involved in illicit affairs with, he's going to be ostracized and all kinds of fines are going to be imposed on him. If he is a title holder, he may be stripped of that title. So these are the punishments. So what I want our brother Agodai and the rest of the world who is seeing this video to learn is that the man doesn't just start suffering. The man suffers because of his inability to take action. The man suffers because of his pride, because of his, I beg, no tell me, I trust my wife. Now that is what triggers it. Okay? So, but if the man listens, he is safe, his children are safe. The woman can even be welcomed back to the family after propitiation and nothing will happen to everybody. Or nothing will happen to anybody. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this video very interesting, I want you to go down to my timeline, find other very interesting videos to watch. Thank you and do have a very pleasant day.